This engaging conversation between a kid and his dad centers on the child's concerns about homework. Let us jump in and watch.
Dad, why do I have to do all this homework? There's always so much to do.
Well, homework helps you practice what you've learned in school. It's training for your brain, making sure the lessons stick.
But it feels like it's never ending. After a long day, I want to play. Don't I learn enough during school hours?
School teaches you a lot, but homework is there to reinforce those lessons. What if a player only played half a soccer match and didn't finish the game?
Oh. But sometimes, the homework eats up all my playtime in the evening.
I understand it can be tough, and I'm proud of you for working so hard. Overcoming challenges now will make you stronger in the long run.
Dad, do you really think all this homework will actually help me when I grow up?
Definitely. Besides the subjects themselves, homework teaches you discipline, time management, and how to tackle tasks you might not want to do. All very important for grown-ups.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot of grown-up stuff. Okay, I'll try to see it as a good thing. But, Dad, can you help me sometimes? Especially with the math problems?
Of course, I'm always here to help you. We can work together on those tricky problems. And maybe, we can find ways to make it more fun.
Really? That would be awesome. But, Dad, honestly, did you like doing homework when you were my age?
Ha ha. Well, I didn't. I learned to appreciate it over time, just like you will. And, who knows, maybe we'll find out you're a math whiz.
I'm not so sure about that. But will there be time for stories after homework?
Absolutely. We can always make time for a good story.
Yay! That's something to look forward to. Alright, I'll go grab my books. Can we make the stories extra fun tonight?
You got it, champ. Extra fun stories tonight. Now, let's tackle that homework with a smile, shall we?
With a smile and a half, Dad. Let's do it.
Okay. Now let us try out a few questions based on the story. For each question, the relevant chat is shown under the context heading. Question 1. Why was the child upset? Answer. He had to finish his homework. Question 2. What is the meaning of never ending? Answer. Something going on and on. Question 3. Homework is there to reinforce those lessons. What does reinforce mean? Answer. Strengthen. Question 4. Homework eats up all my playtime. What does the child mean by this statement? Answer. He doesn't get time to play. Question 5. All very important for grown-ups. What does the father mean by this? Answer. The qualities acquired will be useful in future life. Question 6. What is the child's reaction to the father's comments on homework? Answer. He is ready to accept homework in a positive manner. Question 7. That would be awesome. What does that refer to? Answer. Interesting way of learning math. Question 8. Just like you will. What does the father mean by this? Answer. The child will understand the value of homework in due course. Question 9. I'm not so sure about that. What was the child unsure about? Answer. Whether he would ever be an expert in math. Question 10. I'll go grab my books. What is the child's mood in the context of this statement? Answer. Prepared to finish his homework. Hope you enjoyed the conversation. Stay tuned for more. Do subscribe to this channel so you can enjoy more such fun learning experiences.